There are many essential oils that can help with psoriasis symptoms like itching, inflammation, scaling and redness. However, not all essential oils are suitable for everyone and some can cause irritation or allergic reaction to the skin. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Dr. Megha Chaturvedi and today in this video, I'll tell you which essential oils you can use to manage psoriasis that will prevent psoriasis from progressing and reduce any problem related to it. Before we begin, here are some precautions that you must take before trying out anything new on your skin. First, always do a patch test before applying any essential oil to your skin, and you should avoid using them if you are pregnant, breastfeeding or have any allergies or medical condition. Next, keep them away from children and pets and store them in a cool, dark and dry place. There are many essential oils that can help with psoriasis symptoms. However, not all essential oils are suitable for everyone and some can cause irritation or allergic reaction. Therefore, it is important to choose the right essential oil to your skin type and condition and use them in a right way. Here are some of the most popular and effective essential oils. For psoriasis patient, number 1 is tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is one of the most widely used essential oil for skin problems as it has antibacterial, antiviral and antifungal properties and it can also support healthy immune functions and reduce inflammation. Tea tree oil can also help in scalp psoriasis as it soothes the itchiness and flakiness and prevents infection. Number 2 is lavender oil. Lavender oil is another versatile and gentle essential oil that benefits your skin and mind. The oil has anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties which can help with psoriasis symptoms like reducing pain, swelling and inflammation. Lavender oil also helps by reducing stress, important for managing psoriasis, as stress can trigger your flare-ups. Number 3 is chamomile oil. Chamomile oil is a soothing and calming essential oil that is good on skin. It can reduce inflammation and irritation. Chamomile oil has anti-inflammatory, antiseptic and anti-allergic properties which reduces psoriasis symptoms such as redness, itching and burning. Chamomile oil also helps with good moods and help falling in deep sleep which improves your quality of life and well-being. Number 4 is bergamot oil. Bergamot oil is a citrus fruit whose essential oil has a fresh and uplifting scent. It has antibacterial, antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties which also help reduce inflammation and scaling. This oil also helps you manage your stress levels that are good for your psoriasis recovery. Now the question is, how can you use these essential oil for psoriasis? You can use these oils on your psoriasis patches based on requirement of your psoriasis condition. There are different ways to use essential oils for psoriasis. Number 1 is topical application. You can apply oil directly to your affected skin areas for the best result. But make sure you dilute the essential oil with a carrier oil like coconut oil or olive oil. If you are taking 2 spoons of carrier oil, then add 5 to 8 drops of essential oil of your choice in it. You can add a few drops of essential oil in your bathing water. If you have psoriasis all over your body, then bathing with essential oil water will give you complete body relief. Number 3 is inhalation. You can also use essential oil for aromatherapeutic effects. This will help your body regulate immune responses in a better way. To make an inhalation blend, add 5 to 10 drops of essential oil to a bowl of hot water and stir well. Then cover your head with a towel and lean over the bowl. Breathe in the steam for 10 to 15 minutes and relax. This was all for today. Thank you for joining in the video. I hope you found this video helpful and if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to drop them in the comment below. If you or someone you know are suffering from psoriasis and want to know how to prevent it, you can call the numbers in the video or send your reports directly to our expert doctors through WhatsApp. Thank you. Stay beautiful and stay healthy.